Hello, hi friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am discussing the some important SSLC science chapter applied question answers, that is our environment. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ SSLCಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಪಯುಕ್ತ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವರ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದುವರೆಗೆ ತಾವು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ತಾವು ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗೋದ ಮೂಲಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೀಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಅವರ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಘಟಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅವರ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕಪ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಟೀ ಆನ್ train is prepared because option A, paper cup are more aesthetic. Option B, paper cups are more hygienic. Option C, paper cup are cheaper. Option D, paper cups are biodegradable and eco-friendly. Right answer, paper cups are biodegradable and eco-friendly. Next, multiple choice question. Which of the following represents food chain based on the given picture? ಈ ಪಿಕ್ಚರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅವಲೋಕನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು ಆಹಾರ ಸರಪಳಿ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಸ್ನೇಕ್, ಬರ್ಡ್, ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಹಾಫರ್ಸ್. ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಹಾಫರ್, ಬರ್ಡ್, ಸ್ನೇಕ್. ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಹಾಫರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್, ಬರ್ಡ್, ಸ್ನೇಕ್. Bird, grasshopper, plant, snake. Right answer, grasshopper, plant, bird, snake. Third question. What could be X be in the given food chain? What could be the X be the given food chain? Paddy plants, rats, snake ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್, ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್. ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್. ತೃತೀಯ ಸ್ವಭಕ್ಷಕಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರೀತವು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಬೌಟ್ P, Q, R and S? Which of the following statements is true about P, Q, R, S? Option A, the energy level at P is larger than that at S. Option B, P is a producer while Q, R and S are consumers. R is smaller in size than Q. S is more in number of than R. Right answer, D is a right answer. Fifth one. Which of the following chemicals cause the thinning of layer P? Option A, carbon monoxide. Option B, sulfur dioxide. Option C, chlorofluorocarbons. Option D, both A and C. Right answer, both A and C. Carbon monoxide and chlorofluorocarbons. These are the greenhouse gases. Next, two marks questions. 1 marks questions. First question. Nowadays our environment is stressing upon government is stressing upon the use of jute or paper bags. What purpose is supposed to be achieved by the government? Right answer, jute bags or paper bags are prepared from biodegradable materials, thus lowering the environmental pollution. Plastic bags are non-biodegradable and affect the environment adversely. Next question. The United Nations Act to control the production of CFCs used in refrigerators analyze. Right answer. CFCs deflate the ozone layer around the earth, hence UN Act the control its production. Save the Tiger campaign is being overemphasized these days by our government. What may be the possible reasons? Right answer. The to maintain the ecological balance which is affected through controls. Write appropriate names of trophical levels Z and X in the given picture and observation ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಅದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ ನಂತರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಜೆಡ್ ಅದ ಕರ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜೆಡ್ ಅದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಷರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ depicted in the scheme? Phytoplanktonism 400 kg, zooplanktonism 40 kg, smaller fishes 4 kg, big fishes 0.4 kg. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಹಾರ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 10% ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಶಕ್ತಿ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಡ್ ವೇರ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆನ್ aquarium needs regularly cleaning. Justify. Right answer. An aquarium is an artificial system which is always incomplete due to the absence of producers, food chain and decomposers. There is no recycling and self-cleaning. However, a pond or a lake is a self-sustaining, natural and complete ecosystem where there is perfect recycling of nutrients. Second question, most Australians develop skin problems as they grow old and why? Right answer. Australia live near Antarctica in the zone where ozone holes appears every year. More higher energy ultraviolet rays reach the earth in the area of zone hole. UV radiations cause skin cancers, mutation and cataracts besides reducing immunity. Therefore, most Australians comes to have skin problems as they grow old. Next question, the maximum concentration of harmful chemicals accumulates in human beings. State the phenomenon involved and justify this statement. Right answer. Human beings are omnivorous and lie at the tip of almost every food chain. There are also long light harmful chemicals addressed in higher concentration through biomagnifications and continue to accumulate in their bodies. Therefore, non-biodegradable chemicals occurs in maximum concentration in human beings. Fourth question, why there has been a large huge and cry against the use of CFC chlorofluorocarbon? Right answer. CFC carbons pass on to the upper layers of atmosphere, that is stratosphere, where ozone layer is based. CFCs cause depletion of ozone layer that allows harmful UV radiations to reach the surface of Earth, causing skin problems, skin cancers, and effective eyesight. Fifth question. It is responsibility of the government to arrange for the management and disposal of the waste. As an individual, you have no role to play. Do you agree? Supportive your answers with two reasons. Right answer. I don't agree. As an individual, I also have the responsibility and can contribute in the following ways: cut down waste generation, make compost fit for biodegradable waste, recycle non biodegradable waste. Next question: phytoplankton and zooplankton, fish eating bird. In this food chain, which organisms will have maximum available energy, maximum concentration of pesticides? Right answer: phytoplankton, fish eating birds. 3 marks questions. First question: hospital waste is not allowed to be mixed with municipal trash and garbage, neither it is dumped separately. How is it disposed of and why? Right answer: hospital waste is highly contaminated and can be a source of several diseases, whereas wherever it is dumped or it disposed of, it always contains infected, cancerous, and other waste tissues that can be a source of several diseases. Therefore, hospital waste are collected in separate bags and taken to incinerators for disposal. In the incinerators, the articles are burned at the particles are burned at 800 and 850 degree Celsius under aerobic conditions. Smoke and grit are precipitated to avoid air pollution. Only ash and unburned metallic materials are left. There are disposal of in landfills. Next question. Geeta and Rita are neighbors in a colony. Geeta maintains a compost pit by using biodegradable household wastes. Rita threw the household waste in two separate dustbins. First question: whom do you support and why? Second question: how is Geeta justified? Third question: maintaining two dustbins for biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste in a good idea. How is Geeta's particles better than the Rita? Right answer: Geeta, she is sparing the municipal committee of picking up biodegradable waste and transporting the same to disposal sites. Geeta is producing her own compost for her home garden. She is not only saving money on purchase of manure and fertilizer but is also practicing organic farming. Rita's particles of keeping two separate bins of biodegradable and non-biodegradable garbage is more suitable, but Gita's practice is better as it reduces the bulk of garbage and saves on money. Next to 4 marks questions. First question: damage to the ozone layer is a cause for concern. Justify. This statement suggests any two steps to limit this damage. Right answer. Depletion of ozone layer has become a cause for concern because it can cause serious effects on human body and other organisms of environment like fatal diseases such as skin cancer, changes in genetic material DNA, eye damage, etc. Judicious use of aerosol sprays, propellants such as fluorocarbons and chlorofluorocarbons which cause depletion or hole in ozone layer. Control over large scale nuclear explosion and limited use of supersonic planes. Next question. Why have the railway vendor has been switching over from reusable glasses to plastic cups, then click labs and now paper cup while B press greater rule for renewable articles? Right answer. There is no denying the fact those reusable articles for eco-friendly. However, they are also liable to get contaminated, especially when railway vendors do not have time and resources to sterilize them. Therefore, railway switched over to disposal articles. Reusable glasses were replaced with disposable plastic cups. However, plastic cups are non-biodegradable. Their disposal posed a big problem. They could not be burned as burning produced the toxic gases. The dumping place becomes site for breeding piles, flies, mosquitoes, and others. The practice was therefore discontinued and replaced by clay cups. However, making lakhs of clay cups daily remote for top fertile soil from several hundred acres of land. That clay cup also required dumping places. Ultimately, the disposal paper cup have come to stay with vendors. The waste cups are recyclable as well as can be burned without causing problem of dumping. Next question. List three arguments that you will use to convince the audience that humans are responsible for these disasters. B question. List three values that will be inculcated with this debate. First answer. Humans are responsible for excess landslides and floods in hilly areas due to following reasons. Building dams to store water and generate electricity. However, the geology of hills is usually unstable. Seepage from dams makes the hills prone to excessive landslides and earthquakes. Hill attract a large number of tourists. Roads are built up and a great deals of construction activities carried out along the roads to accommodate tourists. Trees are cut off for construction activity and roads debris of construction sites is often thrown into gorges and channels near the roads and buildings. A lot of garbage and other wastes are generated by tourists and the locals. However, there is no system for their proper disposal. Big question. It is important to know the features of our environment and surroundings. No human activity should disturb the balance of nature. There should be proper and scientific methods for disposal. You have been asked to talk on ozone layer and its protection in the school assembly on environment. day. Dear students, if you have any doubts in this chapter, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.